Breakout rooms have been one of the most anticipated features of Google Enterprise. When you open the room, it will automatically determine how many rooms you need based on the number of participants in the call and will allocate them evenly. You can make adjustments to that number, and you can start to move participants around either by dragging and dropping their names or by starting to type the first few letters of their name and selecting it from the drop-down list. Once you've allocated people into rooms, you can click Open Rooms, and that will start the breakout feature. Once you open the room, participants will get a dialog box inviting them to join. Anyone who has not clicked on the box will have a spinning green circle next to their name. If you want to go into one of the breakout rooms to see what's happening, you will click Join next to the room that you would like to enter, and it will launch a new Google Meet screen that you can enter. You can join a different room without leaving the first by simply clicking Join on the new room. And when you're ready to leave, you can click Leave, and that will take you back to the main call. You can edit rooms mid-call in the same way that you originally edited rooms. You may want to rename your rooms as well. You can click on the title, and you can give each of your rooms a name, and that's what will appear at the top of your students' screens. When you click Save, you'll then see that the new rooms have been created and participants will or will not have joined. Once you're finished, you can close the rooms, and that will give all participants a message that the breakout room session has been ended and to return to the main room. Once again, they have to click to reappear in your room. If you push Clear, all participants will be back in the main call, and you can once again reallocate rooms, and it will randomly shuffle people into them. That's a brief overview of the breakout room feature. If you have any other questions on how to use it, please reach out to a digital coach for support.